dark and lovely. Ours is beautiful. Culture is a statement. It defines our people. In my arts and crafts, we capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely. Arts is beautiful. Dark and lovely, ours is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. In my arts and crafts, we capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely. Arts is beautiful. Dark and lovely, ours is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. In my arts and crafts, we capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely. Arts is beautiful.
Establish Aganebode, a circle local government.
Mad man.
Come.
How many persons? Oh yeah, we enter 600. Hey!
Dark and lovely, ours is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. In my arts and crafts, we capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely. Arts is beautiful.
Yeah.
And lovely.
We're traveling from here to Edo State. In Edo State, Aganabode. They say from here to Edo State is 1,200. Hey, the journey is long. Hey, basically, Divata crab baby, yeah, on a trip to Edo State. Wow! It's a route to Onitsha as well.
Yeah, this is the route to Onitsha behind us.
Okay.
And most of the this wood canoe load yam, rice, and food stuff down to Onitsha.
Wow.
And then if you want to transport as an individual, it is 500 go, 500 come. But it takes about 6 to 7 hours on the water.
Okay, 6 to 7 hours.
Yes. But
wow.
Aganabode, because the river is drying up, it's just about 1 hour.
Bye-bye. Somebody is traveling.
During the flood, it's just about 30 to 45 minutes.
Okay, because of the flood.
Because of the flood, the flying boat can fly very well.
Okay, wow. Interesting. This is jetty, yeah.
Jetty, where they're supposed to anchor ships. If they can, the federal government can.
You guys should be coming. We are going to Edo State. I'm enjoying my trip. Yeah, wow, that's the part I love. But man, you're doing it. Wow. Hey, hey. Hey,
the wave from the other.
Hey, hey.
Don't worry. That is the wave. It's part of the theory.
This wave.
Yes.
This
the wave of the other one.
Okay, the wave of the other one.
Yes. This is
wow.
Niger in Ida local government, the northern seat of Igala Kingdom, and you can see passengers crossing to Aganebode part of Ibaji and Edo are lying there, boarding the different canoe and boats. So and since today is Ega market, and Ega market is support.
Hey! Easy! Wow!
The land breaking of the bridge in Aganebode that was inaugurated about 2 years ago by the federal government, then yet to take over.
Wow.
About 2 weeks ago, all these places, the line you are seeing, were filled up with water.
Flood.
As you can see, these children are, I think, practicing their hobby.
Okay.
Fishing. They are looking for what they'll take to school tomorrow.
Wow. Okay, they're even using nets.
Net.
Okay. Wow.
So, Dima Art and Craft has gone far. And we're still going international.
Yeah, international. That's the dream. That's the dream. Hey, don't forget to follow me. See your girl Dima Arts and Crafts. Just follow me, like and comment for your baby girl. Thank you.
Dark and lovely, art is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. Dima Arts and Crafts, we capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely. Art is beautiful, dark and lovely.